Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the green screen effect on the InShot app. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Then here you can find the video option. Now tap on it. Add one video that you want to edit. To add the green screen effect, here you can find a lot of toolbar. Now scroll down to your right until you find the option called cutout. Now here you can see the cutout option. Simply tap on it. Finally, here you can find the option of chroma. Now tap on it. You can see a picker. Use this picker to select the green part of your background. The app will automatically remove it. And then here you can also adjust the strength of the green screen from here. And you can also adjust the shadows like this. So this is how you add the green screen effect on your InShot app. We have just learned how to use the green screen effect in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.